basically they're very utilitarian, which is great because we need it to provide hot water. Well, leave it to Temp-tations for the last 21 years, not only innovating in our kitchens, but also making it beautiful at the same time, because we want to leave our kettle out all the time. And then they said, you know what? We're going to make it porcelain, which this is, but we're also going to make it cordless. So it's got the base, right? You plug the base in, that provides the electricity so that you can boil the water. But right there, your porcelain 1-liter electric cordless kettle goes on the base. And now you can carry it to the table. You can take it over with you to wherever you are resting if you would like. We used to have 5 different color choices for you. We have 2 remaining. This has the old world and the floral lace represented, so we call this the classic. This is the taupe color. We have 375 remaining in taupe. We also have a slate blue choice that you're seeing on your screen right now. There's only 6 dozen remaining. Now, this has a whole bunch of features that make it better than maybe the kettle you have now, or if you've never had a kettle, this is the one to get. 5 easy payments of $7.95, no reorder, and it was $57.75. It's now $39.75. And I love the fact, Lisa, because you know me, ooh, I need all the help I can get. The fact that when it's out of water, it turns itself off. I mean, not only is it, she's beautiful and she's intelligent too. That's a triple threat. It's good to see you.
By the way, I look a little sideways, don't I? I think we might have to fix our camera.
Hold on.
Here,
it's fine.
Hold on. Can you go this way? Yes, thank you, Mary.
I'll go the other way. Actually, let me match it. There we go.
I'm not sure what happened.
Better.
Maybe like somebody kicked the camera.
It's because we're pouring water. They just wanted you to see that it was ready to pour.
that we're ready. But yes, lots of safety features involved. So here is the story. This is the only electric tea kettle in our line, and we're retiring it. We don't have any more coming in.
Okay.
But this is that nod to nostalgia from like what your grandmother had maybe growing up. This is hot water on demand. So a couple of features that I just really want to call out. First of all, down to 2 colors that are the most neutral. So I love that because here's that beautiful taupe. Here's where you see the beautiful accents of the old world and the floral lace. But this is all about proportion too. Do you see how you have that perfect upswept spout right there? And then the handle that's oversized right here. The lid right there, with one finger you pour it, you pull it off. But Mary, it has a silicone gasket. This is so high-end, so high quality. And then when you look on the inside, you will actually see there's a fill line inside of there. I'm not sure, Kevin, if you can see. See that? It says max right there.
Yes.
You're going to fill it. Just make sure you don't go above it, but you can go up to a liter. A few other things that I just love. The warming plate right there. This is the kind of the brains behind it all, right? Where you're going to plug it in. But when you want to tuck it away, the cord wraps.
Oh,
so
nice.
Right. All these little things that make it so important. And then over here, Mary, I just want to show you. It has that blue light. So that's how I know it's on. Takes a few minutes to heat up. And you're right, auto shut off. So when it's done, and mine's already boiling, so it might go off quickly, it will shut off. But the other thing about it, Mary, is that if you forget and you plug it in and there's no water in here, it won't even start on. See how it went off? Right.
I
it's
need
boiling,
all of
ready
my
to
tools
go.
to be smarter than I am. The clearance price means no reorder, but here's some updates. If you want the slate blue on your screen right now, we only have 3 dozen remaining. We started with 100. Now we have 3 dozen remaining in the slate blue. The taupe, we have 350 remaining. By the way, in case you're asking, if you tip it upside down all the way, even the lid doesn't come out. At the bottom, it's flat. So even though that's where you're resting it to get heated up, when you set it on your table, it's gonna sit flat. This is the indicator that Lisa was just showing us, but I want you to see on the inside. Yes, porcelain, but look at the base. That's where you get that beautiful stainless steel. I also wanted to show you exactly what Lisa was just showing us at home. I'm going to turn it around till I find it. There's the max line. So you want to fill it up to that max line, but this is how science chemistry works. It needs to have a little space in the top in order for it to generate the higher heat of water. So you need to leave that space at the bottom for it to heat up properly. Did I just get Mr. Wizard? A little bit. But you're getting it for an amazing price. $57.75 was the price that it was. It's now $39.75, and it's on 5 easy payments of $7.95. And I want you to think about it this way. It's beautiful to leave out. Lisa, you know, it's really cool that it has a cord wrap, but quite frankly, I'm not putting this away.
It's so beautiful.
Gorgeous.
And I have one like in my office, which is in the basement here, so that I don't have to run upstairs every time I want to make things like ramen noodles. Like, think about microwaving water, because I'm telling you, there's a difference in taste between microwaving your water and boiling your water yourself. I love the fact that so many things need hot water, whether it's a recipe, whether it's your ramen noodles. Oh, Mary, this is our online special deal right here. I'm going to actually reconstitute some mushrooms right in there. So you can reconstitute your dried fruits, you can do loose teas, and of course it's fabulous for tea and all those types of things. And Mary, here's the other thing I just want to give a big shout out about this color. This is the first time you have seen this slate blue in Old World and Floral Lace, and it matches back to the woodland pie plate that we had earlier. So we always use the same Pantone colors throughout. So if you have taupe woodland, this taupe would look beautiful. Slate blue, this looks beautiful.
Great
Gorgeous.
call out. By the way, in that slate blue.
Yeah.
In the slate blue. Oh, the slate, he was just checking and then he goes, oh, hey, sorry about that. The slate blue's gone. In the taupe, the one that I have in my hands, there are 325 remaining. I just want to show you something on the base. And I know you're not going to do this at home, but it rotates around 360 degrees. And the beauty of that being a feature is if you come in hot in this direction, it's going to set beautifully like this. Come in hot from this direction, it's going to sit beautifully like this. So it doesn't have to be in a very specific place every single time, because in my kitchen, I'm never going to do it the same way twice.
Yeah, that's exactly right. And Mary, if you've never had porcelain, you're in for quite a treat, because you still get that sturdiness. Like when you feel it, there's a really nice weight to this teapot. You can feel the quality, but it also brings that pattern to life. It's a little brighter. I love the fact all these hand painted and hand applied accents. And again, that taupe, so stunning because it's just a beautiful neutral background. And then the pop of the white color. Don't forget, it even has a silicone lid. And that's why Mary was able to turn that pot upside down and the lid doesn't fall off, because it has that nice grip. Pour spout and the handle, perfectly proportioned. And just one final thing, I'll show you over here, Kev, if you wouldn't mind showing this, that blue light. So here's on. And then if you're like me and get forgetful that, oh, wait, 10 minutes ago I made a cup of tea. Is that boiling over? No, it has an auto shut off when it's done, or when there is no water in the bottom.
Wait, you want to check out the height of lazy? Let's say you're at home, you're watching your favorite show, the kettle's on the table behind the sofa, your mug is over here. Watch this. You don't even have to get up. You just, okay, I'm gonna take this. I don't recommend, by the way, don't do as she does. Pour it into your mug, and then you just take it and you put it back. Woo! You didn't even have to get up to refill your tea. I tell you what.
I think we need a little slider to come across. Do not try this at home. This was a professional actress.
Don't do as she says. This is the taupe. Exactly. This is the only one remaining. We only have 250 remaining. Oh my gosh. There is no reorder. You want to grab this while we've got it. And it's 5 easy payments of $7.95. Lisa, thank you so much for being here, my friend.
Thank you, Mary. Great to see you. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yay! Okay, bye. I can't wait. Hey, we just wanted to remind you